Are you looking for the best spin mops? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best spin mops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop System. We tested 2 O-Cedar spin mops for this list, but this one took best overall because of its added RinseClean system, which allows you to mop with clean water on every rinse. The system has 2 tanks, so when you wring out the mop, the dirty water goes into one tank, and then when you wet the mop again, it comes from the clean water tank, helping you to remove more dirt and grime as you clean. Wringing is hands-free as well, and you use a built-in foot pedal to spin the water out of the mop and into the dirty water tank. We found the mop to be extremely effective during testing, as it removed grease, coffee, and stuck-on cheese with ease. We found the added RinseClean system useful, but not necessary for small spills. It would be useful for larger floors that are really dirty, but it wasn't necessary for spot cleaning. The mop handle is telescopic, meaning you can move it shorter or longer, depending on what you need. And the mop heads can be removed after use and thrown in the washing machine, which saves you money on supplies commonly needed with disposable mop pads. The triangular mop head allowed us to wedge the mop into corners for superior cleaning, and it has a 360-degree rotation, which helped us to mop underneath furniture and in tight spaces. Head material, microfiber, handle length, up to 51 inches, weight, 6.7 pounds, machine washable, yes, includes RinseClean bucket, adjustable telescopic handle, microfiber mop head. Number 2. O-Cedar Microfiber Spin Mop. Very similar to the RinseClean spin mop listed above, the EasyWring system from O-Cedar is also a win for us. Unlike the RinseClean, which has 2 tanks, the EasyWring only has 1 tank with the built-in wringer, so you're not getting clean water with every rinse. The bucket design does allow hands-free wringing though, as you simply press the foot pump to wring out the mop head, while Splash Guard helps to keep water splashes and spray inside the bucket when wringing. We found that the mop easily wiped up grease and coffee during testing, removing both with just a few swipes. However, during the stuck-on cheese test, we had to scrub slightly harder in the grout to fully remove the cheese. Overall, it was a fairly easy process though, and the floor was effectively cleaned in a short amount of time. The mop head is machine washable and reusable, and made from microfiber that works against dirt and grime on all hard flooring, including vinyl, laminate, and finished hardwood. The mop head for this model is also triangular, allowing you to get into corners, and the handle is telescopic so you can adjust it to your height preferences. You can use this mop for wet and dry mopping or dusting. Head material, microfiber, handle length, up to 51 inches, weight, 5 pounds, machine washable head, yes, includes EasyWring bucket, telescopic handle, microfiber mop head. Number 3. Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Spin Mop. For a little less effort than traditional mopping, the cordless Bissell SpinWave is a great option, giving you 20 minutes of runtime with an 18-volt lithium-ion battery. During testing, we found that this spin mop maneuvered well, easily gliding around tight space and in corners. It wasn't difficult to carry, and there's no bucket associated with the mop, as the water vessel is attached to the top. It absorbs liquids well, without having to change the mop head. However, the mop doesn't get into cracks well, meaning if you're cleaning up mud or butter or something solid on wooden planks or grouted tile, the spill won't be easily cleaned with this mop. The battery life lasted well throughout the test, and we didn't feel that we needed to charge it mid-test, as the power was at full usage throughout testing. The mop pads were easy to remove, as they adhere with heavy-duty Velcro, and the pads are machine washable. We do wish that the mop pad had more texture, so that the pad could get down into crevices like grout in the spaces between wooden planks. Also, we found that the pads do take quite some time to dry, and were still damp after 48 hours of drying. It's safe for sealed hardwood floors plus tile and linoleum. It comes with an on-demand spray feature, which dispenses the cleaning formula in front of the mop with the push of a button, and you get 4 reusable mop pads with the set, meaning you'll have clean, spare pads to clean each room with ease. The SpinWave comes with a swivel head that reaches into tight spots easily, and the battery fully charges after 4 hours. Head material, microfiber, handle length, 45 inches, weight, 11 pounds, machine washable head, yes, includes 1 mop, 2 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, 2 trial size pet multi-surface formulas, 1 storage tray, 1 charging adapter plug. Number 4. Libman Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. Easily clean numerous hard surfaces with this spin mop from Libman, which comes with 2 microfiber mop heads, so you'll always have a clean one ready to go. The mop spins by releasing the locking lever and then pushing down the handle into the spin chamber. When you're done, you can throw the mop head in the washing machine, or hand wash with warm, soapy water and then air dry. During testing, we found that this spin mop cleaned up grease with just a few swipes, and successfully soaked up a coffee spill without more coffee running down to the floor. However, it did take about 25 swipes to clean up the cheese mess, especially in the grout area. We also found that this spin mop was easy to control on the wall and move in different angles with a steady, controlled feeling. The 360-degree mop head feels lightweight and allows you to control how wet you want the mop head. The mop bucket holds up to 2 gallons of water and has a convenient pour spout so you can empty the dirty water out after cleaning with ease. The handle is also designed to eliminate sloshing dirty water as you carry the bucket. Head material, microfiber, handle length, up to 53 inches, weight, 5.5 pounds, machine washable head, yes, includes 1 bucket, 1 handle, 2 mop heads. Number 5. True and Tidy TrueClean Mop System. The TrueClean from True and Tidy is built with a dual compartment system, which helps keep clean and dirty water separate for clean water rinses each time. It also has a built-in scrubbing brush inside the bucket, which cleans and rinses the mop pad automatically when you spin it, ensuring that you're not getting dirt and debris back on the floor when you rinse and spin the mop head. During our testing, we found that the mop was easy to handle, comfortable, and easy to control in different directions. The grease spill came off pretty quickly, but the coffee spill was more difficult to clean up, as the mop head pushed the coffee away instead of soaking it up. We had to set the mop on top of the spill to absorb the coffee, then rinse the mop and clean the surface again with a couple of strokes. The cheese stain came off with about 12 strokes, with most of those strokes being needed in the grout. We also found that the mop felt balanced, and we could reach as high up on the wall that it would reach and still had control while applying pressure. We really liked the 2 compartments that separate clean and dirty water, and that the True and Tidy mop was more compact and easier to store. This spin mop has a square mop head that swivels 360 degrees, making it feasible to clean in corners and hard-to-reach spaces, and you can refill the bucket easily with the water inlet on the side, allowing you to add water without opening the bucket. The handle is stainless steel and thick, and the mop pads are machine washable. Use the mop wet or dry, and when done, just pull the drain plug out for easy draining. The mop works well on tile, vinyl, wood, laminate, and even marble. Head material, microfiber, handle length, extends up to 47 inches, weight, 3.5 pounds, machine washable head, yes, includes spin mop, bucket, 2 microfiber mop pads, adjustable handle.